Let's take a look at Celr network. Last time we looked at Celr was on October the 13th. Here is a quick recap. So there is a very high probability that Celr would likely break out to the upside of this falling wedge. The key for us is for Celr network to be able to cross over the 10 days moving average. So the key price we're looking for is for Celr to stabilize and trade over 15 cents. And if Celr can trade over the 15 cents and stabilize over that for at least a couple of days, then Celr is on its way to retest this prior high at 19.7 cents and then the all-time high at 20.7 and eventually run up to our target price of 27.2 cents. Fast forward, this is the daily chart for Celr network, and the data I have is to 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on October the 19th. Last time when we look at Celr was on October the 13th. We were hoping that Celr would be able to close over the 10 days moving average, which is this red line, and trade at 15 cents or above. That was our magic number. We did not get what we wanted because Celr ended up closing the day way below this 10 days moving average. And after that, it continued to very much trade, even trending down, but the way I see it is very much trading sideways. As long as Celr is trading within this range of a high of 17 cents and a low of 11.8 cents, to me, it is still in consolidation. Yesterday, the price dropped all the way down to about 12.4 cents. Where it tested this prior high, found support, bounced up, ran all the way to 15 cents, but since then retraced, and now it is trading below the 10 days moving average at 14.1 cents, or up about 7.5%. Volume definitely picking up. That is a very good sign. Let's look at Celr on this 4-hour chart. Celr broke out of this falling wedge, spike up to our target price, and then retraced. Formed this little falling wedge, broke out early this morning on strong volume. The target for the breakout of this little falling wedge would technically take Celr to about 15.4 cents. Switch over to the daily chart. Looking at this chart, I love how the Bollinger Band is forming. It was way overextended when Celr established this all-time high at 20.7 cents. After that, the price retraced, consolidate, allowed the Bollinger Band to contract. Momentum is being built up. The width of the band is getting very tight. The stochastic oscillator is showing Celr is in this oversold territory. Bargain hunter step in to support the price, and that's what we're seeing today. We see this big spike up in price that allows the price to break out of this falling wedge. The target would take it to about 15.5 cents. If Celr can close today above the 10 days moving average, ideally the price point that I'm looking for is 14.5 cents. If Celr can close today at or above 14.5 cents and continue to trade over that for the next few days to allow the Bollinger Band to contract even more, then there's a high probability that we may see a breakout after that. So in the next few days, I don't expect to see Celr begin this new run up in price, but rather it would likely continue to trade sideways. The key is for Celr to trade over the 10 days moving average. Celr is a great project. The chart is building out very nicely. So it's just a matter of time before Celr will finish this consolidations, and then we will see that major spike up in price. But until then, we just have to be patient and give Celr some time to do what it needs to do. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at VietMaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.